Hi everyone, this is John and Erick Iams. We're joined today with PRRT Instructor Thom Krupar. Hi Tom.
Hey Tom.
How you guys doing?
Good.
Good, how are you?
Good, real good.
Awesome, thanks for joining us. We wanted to give the viewers just a quick background, some info about how you got involved with PRRT. So can you give them just an idea?
Yeah, it was quite a while ago actually. I want to say 1999, that a patient came into me with, I live in Ohio, she came into me with your article, I think it was your very first newspaper article, and thought that would be interesting to me because I'm always reading, I'm always looking at literature and research, and she knew it, and so she brought that into me, and I figured I'm gonna find out about this guy and what he's got to offer.
Awesome. And can you give the viewers a little sense of your background too? You're a physical therapist. Sure. And
okay, so I'm a PT. Yeah. I'm also an athletic trainer.
Awesome.
Been to all kinds of courses. I'm certified in McKenzie. I've taken Mulligan's courses, and I know myofascial release, and I work outpatient orthopedics. So I see, the usual things that you would see in outpatient orthopedics: a lot of backs, a lot of shoulders, a lot of necks. I also actually do a little bit of part-time work at a nursing home. Helps to pay for the kids' college tuitions, and I actually use some of the PRRT techniques on occasion there too. So it works everywhere.
Awesome.
And the type of practice you're in, you're in a private practice?
Yep, we're a fairly large private practice. We have 5 offices, and it's all within the same county, but 5 offices.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. What kind of results are you seeing using PRRT in your practice?
Well, I'm really busy because
Yeah.
a lot of people requesting to see me, and so the results are phenomenal. It's that's the thing I like best about it probably is people who have been through therapy, been through chiropractic, been through injections, been through maybe surgery, and not getting the results they're looking for. And in 1 or 2 visits, I can make a big difference with the PRRT techniques.
Awesome.
Do you find that when people have that experience with you that they're more than willing to share that experience with other people, which helps to get the word out about you?
Exactly. That's why I say I'm very busy. It's very rare that I get a cancellation on my schedule, and when I do, it usually gets filled right back up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about using PRRT?
I'll be honest with you. My favorite thing about PRRT is just the response I get from the patient when they're better, and they just couldn't believe that they could be better.
Yeah.
It's a look of shock on their face, isn't it?
It is. It's so rewarding.
There's no thought process that they could possibly have that you could make a change in a split second for pain that they've had for sometimes a long period of time.
Exactly.
And that you do something so simple and that all of a sudden the pain's gone.
Yeah.
Right. And usually, the surprising thing for the patient is that day that they're coming in. A lot of them are coming in and thinking, 12, 15 more visits of therapy, and they're better on the first day.
Yeah. No, it usually has an impact even on the first visit, and that's what you're saying, and that's what makes it so powerful is that you don't have to convince the person that you're going to be helping them. You're already helping them on their first visit, which they really don't have expectations that they're going to walk out already better.
Right. Yeah. Exactly. That's why the surprise and the shock look when they are better.
Yeah. That's wonderful.
Well, Tom, you've been practicing it for over a decade now and teaching for several years. Can you give the viewers a sense, because we're talking to the people that are interested in coming to learn live, with you. Can you give them a sense of what they'll experience during a weekend training with you?
First, I think the first thing they'll experience is just that change in mindset, that change in thought process. That it's not that cookbook orthopedic approach to things. That you really have to change the way you think and look in different areas that we're used to looking at. That's probably the biggest thing. But then, the rest of the weekend is kind of like the patient who's in awe of how much better they got is, wow, I can't believe I've had this problem for so long, and here we are just practicing the techniques and it's better. Or, wow, is it really that easy? So,
yeah, awesome.
Can they expect also potentially to have you see what you could do to help them with their pain? Because obviously most people have some pain And many times they've had pain for not just years, but decades, and they may have even given up on finding help. And as you know, you've seen it in the seminars, we actually can help some of those people even in one weekend. So it's possible that people who are attending the seminar with you would also have some degree of relief of pain, if not a lot of the relief.
Right. Yeah. We spend time at the end of the first day and at the end of the second day treating anything that anybody might be coming in with.
Perfect.
That's an extra bonus.
Yeah.
Yep.
And they're gonna get techniques that work head to toe. So you're covering the weekend. You're covering the whole body. And I just wanted to make sure that they knew they're going to get time to practice with you mentoring them as well, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
And not only at the seminar, but anybody that needs extra help can call me, email me,
Awesome.
text me. I'm available all the time to all my students.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's very unusual. You don't hear most people who are teaching anything make that offer. I mean, usually it's ask me when you're here, and don't. They don't mind if you say something nice about them after, but they don't want to be bothered usually.
Right.
If you are asking them about patient issues, and so that's a special thing that you're offering to people.
Yeah.
Well, that was all started by you, John. You created this family. I'm just taking after you.
Well, it's a labor of love, and I think you have that too. And
Yes.
and I don't know. I don't want to put words in your mouth, but maybe you can have a comment about the fact that using PRRT and seeing the results like we see in so many people and so early, oftentimes on the first visit, makes this work fun by comparison to the way it used to be before, where we weren't usually getting the results so early and not lasting results the same. Just the expression that people have of disbelief and excitement to think that they may not have to live with the pain. I mean, that's
right.
That's you can't put a price on that.
Absolutely, and I'll be honest with you. For me, it's I'm excited. I mean, I've always told people I've been doing this for over 30 years, and I can count on one hand the number of times I didn't want to be at work. Yeah. And I'll be honest with you, all of those times came before PRRT. Yeah. I'm excited to be at work every day because I know I can make a difference in somebody's life every day.
Yeah. There's something called an endogenous opiate release that a person experiences when they have relief of pain that's dramatic.
Right.
But there is also, I believe, and I don't know that's ever been documented, the endogenous opiate release that we feel when they feel it and they express it the way they express it. So you see it in their body language, you see it in the way that they're talking to you, you hear it in their voice. That causes you to have a similar experience that they've had. And
absolutely.
You agree with me on that?
Absolutely.
And that's not a bad thing to have that throughout the day, to have those hits of the endogenous opiate release. That's an endorphin. That's an endorphin response, and that's the runner's high, and we don't even have to run to get it.
That's right.
Yeah. Good.
So I'll get running.
Yeah, good.
Awesome. Well, there will be registration information below the video. And we just wanted to say thanks, Thom, for joining us. We know that you're super busy. And thanks again for everyone joining us.
Yeah, thanks, Thom. Thank you so much for all you do. Thank you.
Perfect.
You bet. Thanks.
Thanks.